is Matt. We're at a apartment complex in Newport Richey. Let's go take a look. Got water through the carpet. See that? Standing water. We're extracting here. You see where the texture off the walls coming off the ceiling. The pipe burst here. Right here behind the washing machine. AC unit. You got cabinets. Water underneath the cabinets. The living room. Dining room. The living room here is all flooded. Down the hallway. What's up, Don? This is standing water in the bathtub, in the bathroom. You can see the water there. This is an office. You can see there's puddles of water across the room. Hallway. Hall closets. Master bedroom. It's all flooded. See the water. Master bath. Water. Walk-in closet. It's all flooded. This is E1. You can see they've got towels down. Wet carpet. Wet carpet along the front of the bar and the kitchen. And then in the kitchen itself, standing water all across the kitchen. And that's right next to the unit where we started at. This is E5. There's standing water at the door. Wet carpet. You can see that water. Water.
I went out the back door, but...
That's okay. And then here's the kitchen. It's completely flooded. Pool of water. All through the kitchen.
The cats are shut up. It's in the dining room. The furniture's getting wet on the bottom.
Right. There's water along here, and water in this bathroom. Standing water again. And down the hallway.
And
this is the apartment office. And there's water in the dining room. It's flooded. See, it's deep. This is the apartment office manager. See the water's deep there. Dining room. Into the living room. And there's deep water all through her kitchen and laundry.